Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join someone on Roblox with their join off. So normally when you want to do so, you can just go and click, as example, on the person that you want. You can view the profile. If they are in the game, you'll have to keep looking on which game. I don't know, you want to, as example, kill them or something like that. But this is pretty annoying and it will take you a lot of time and it may not even work. So to do so, of course, like old Roblox had a server list where you'll be able to see everyone on which server they're playing. You'll be able then to join them, even if they have like the option join is off. So for this video, we'll use an extension. I can just go and open a new tab and type like here extensions. And of course, I'm just going to open the extensions on Google. Here, I'll just go and type restore space old Roblox server list. So I'll have to go and click on the first one. And as you can see, this is the extension that we'll need. It will let us restore the old Roblox server list and allow searching for users through their username. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time. So yeah, here we are. I'll just go here and click on add to Brave and I'll show you real quick how you can use that. So as you can see, it has a lot of good reviews, like 4.1 out of 5. That means very good. And yeah, so let's just download. Once it's added, I'm gonna back. So once it is added, I can just go and close this at the moment. And of course, we can just go to the extension. Let me just pin it so we can see it. So as you can see here, now, once it is installed, you'll have to go to the specific player or game that you want to join. So what do you want to know or what you should have on is simple. This auto search, it should be on. You can of course also enable this fast searching. And here, as you can see, you can choose how many pages or how many servers per page, a send in players count. And here, as you can see, you can enter the player username. So as an example now, let me just go and look for, I don't know, anyone. So maybe James here in people. Let's see someone online. I'll just wait for this to upload. So here we are. It seems like everyone here in this list is offline. Okay, everyone, let me just go and look for someone online. Okay, so here we find some people online. As an example, I can just go and click on that person. And normally here you should be able to join, of course, there's a game, especially if they're your friends. If they enable like the friends option, if they enable like everyone, it will be there as well. But even if though like they're not enabling it and I cannot like even see what they're playing at the moment and how can I join them if they have it off. So now as an example, we can see of course which like servers he goes on and stuff. I can just go now to Roblox example. I'm just going to a random game like this one. No, and I'm going to scroll down here. Listen, as you can see, nothing to see here. But how to know if this person is playing at this server? So I find from his profile some games that he's played. So I can just go to this, enable an example, whatever you want, enter server stuff. You can also enter here his username exactly if you want to. So once you're done this, just go and refresh the page and it should keep showing that. So I can look for the exact like name as we said. I guess I copied his name. Let me just go and check. I copied his name. Yeah, I did. So I can just go do, I don't know, 10 servers per page. Here, just refresh now. And it should like show. Oh, I was at the wrong one. So you'll have to click on servers as you can see. So nothing will show now if it's not, if as you can see, it's right there. Maybe it's like not working. So as you can see, this is like the stuff like servers my friends are in. So as you can see, this is the thing like that works with this extension. So let me just go and just disable those two, faster searching, because sometimes it's have this problem. Let me just go and refresh now again and go and click on servers. As you can see, the refresh may take a lot of time. As you can see here, you'll be able to find each like player and you can just find your friend or anybody that you want to join and you'll be able to join them. Of course, if the server allows it. So as an example, now I cannot join this because it's 10 out of 10. You can go and click on load more and you can just look for a server that has a player that's like spots that you can join in and you'll be able to click on join and you'll be able to join them, even if they have their join off. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.